Want to know how to remove invisible filter on TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to remove invisible filter on TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top right corner of your screen and search for an invisible filter in TikTok. Here you can see different invisible filter. Tap on one of them. Then tap on the Use this effect button at the bottom. Likewise, tap on the question mark icon right beside the record button. Here you can see there is an invisible filter. To remove this filter, tap on the icon right beside the magnifying glass. So this is how you can remove invisible filter on TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.